Praise Freya this Friday, October 3rd, and let's see what read we get for the collective. We have what we're actively doing. Oh, spiritually letting go and moving on, okay. Counting our losses and just writing things off. Okay, that's what you're actively doing. What is your focus? You have a lot of anxiety over letting go of the decisions you've been making and what you've been going through. Okay, well, with big choices come big decisions, come big actions, guys. Hang in there. What's going to be the outcome? Don't develop a false sense of security by cutting people off too much, okay? By cutting things short. Try to reevaluate on all your decisions. Don't make decisions too fast. They are giving you a lot of anxiety. If you're not ready to make your decisions, take some time. I know you're ready to write some things off and, cut things loose that no longer serve us. But before you go further doing that, why don't you reevaluate what it means to you, okay?